Hi, boys and girls. I am going to read you a story as how to make bubbles. In this book, you're going to learn how to make bubbles at home without going to the store and buying them. And then later on this week, you're going to be writing the steps on how to make bubbles. How to make bubbles. Bubbles float in a sink. Bubbles pop in a glass of soda. Mix together simple ingredients to make your own super bubbles. And they give you the ingredients right here. Pour a gallon of warm water into a large plastic tub. It's the first thing you do. Then add 1 cup of dish soap. Then add 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin. Slowly stir the mixture. Try not to make suds. Let the bubble mixture sit for 2 or 3 days. Make your own bubble wand by shaping a wire hanger into a circle. Wrap pipe cleaners around the hanger. Ask an adult to carry the tub outside. Blow lots of bubbles with a straw. Dip a potato masher into the tub. Blow through the holes. You see how she's blowing through the holes? Put the hanger into the mixture. Pull it out slowly. Gentle move it through the air. You may have to try several times before you make a giant bubble. Look at that giant bubble. That's pretty cool. How does it work? Blowing air can make a thin film of soap stretch. When stretched too far, the film snaps closed. Air trapped inside makes a round bubble. I like popping a bubble. Pop. Bubbles burst when they dry out. The soapy film gets too thin and the air inside escapes. The bubble also breaks when it touches something dry, like your finger. Pop. So that is how to make bubbles. That was pretty easy, right? So what do we need? We need water and dish soap and glycerin. Glycerin. I don't really. I'm like, oh. A large plastic tub, a spoon, a wire coat hanger, and a drinking straw, a potato masher, or other utensils with holes, and pipe cleaners. That's pretty easy, right? Okay, you could do this anytime at home. Just make sure a parent does it with you. I hope you like my story. Remember, you're going to tell me how to make the bubbles later on. We'll do it together. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.